What if I told you today that by selling digital products, you could gain financial freedom, retire early, and travel the world? That's exactly what happened to me. Selling these products online allowed me to travel to beautiful countries like Dubai and even visit amazing cities like Liverpool, Manchester. Selling these products online allowed me to travel to beautiful countries like Dubai for vacation and even visit amazing cities like Liverpool and Manchester to get to watch the world football. And the best part of all, I was able to retire early at the age of 30 and no stress, no worrying about money, and having complete financial freedom. And here's the exciting part. All you need to create these digital products is your laptop using the free platforms that I'm going to share with you today. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 beginner-friendly digital products you can create this weekend and start selling in 72 hours, even if nobody knows your name. Hello and welcome to Ruth Finance, where I help you discover simple ways to make money online, build passive income, and achieve financial freedom. So product number 1 are checklists or cheat sheets. Let's start with something so simple you could literally create one tonight. Checklists and cheat sheets. And here's how to make them. So I open ChatGPT and ask it something like, give me a step-by-step cleaning checklist for a busy mom, or a weekly cleaning checklist for beginners. So ChatGPT gives me the raw step-by-step, then I copy them to Canva. Now in Canva, I choose a clean, organized template, something with boxes people can tick off and make it look polished. For example, a cleaning checklist might include wipe kitchen counters, sweep and mop floors. Now you've got a practical digital product that makes people's lives easier. And now how do we sell it? Upload your PDF to Etsy as a digital download or list it in StanStore, which works perfectly if you promote it on TikTok or Instagram. These products are impulse buys and usually priced between $5 and $10. And because they are quick and helpful, people grab them without thinking twice. So when you sell in volume, the income adds up quickly. Bundle 3 related cleaning checklists like daily cleaning, weekly cleaning, and deep cleaning. And bundles always sells better. So product 2 is mini eBooks. Now don't panic. When I say ebook, I don't mean a 300-page novel. I'm talking about 5 to 15 pages in one focused topic. And here is my process. I use ChatGPT to create a structured outline. For example, outline a 10-page ebook on how to save money as a beginner. Then I expand the points with ChatGPT's help. Finally, I take the text into Canva, an ebook template, and add image icons to make it look professional. And once ready, I upload my ebook to Amazon KDP, and Amazon is free self-publishing platform. And the beauty is Amazon already has millions of daily visitors searching for books, so you don't need to build your own audience from scratch. I personally sell my 2 ebooks on Amazon KDP, and every single month I get passive income from them. I don't advertise, I don't push, I just let Amazon handle the sales. You can price them between $5 and $15 depending on the value. Then product 3 is Printify designs and sell on Etsy. This is one of my favorites, print on demand with Printify. And here is how it works. I use ChatGPT to brainstorm short scriptures or motivational quotes. For example, faith over fear or God is greater than the highs and the lows. I design them in Canva using bold fonts or minimalist graphics. Then I upload them into Printify, where I can apply the design to the products like mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, journals, or even pillows. And now here's where the magic starts. When someone buys from my Etsy shop, Printify does all the work. They print the item, package it, and ship it directly to the customer. I never touch the product. It's fully automated. These products make great gifts, which mean they sell especially well during holidays, graduations, and even birthdays. And if you want to try this, my special Printify sign-up link is in the description box. Use it to get started creating your own designs today. So product number 4 is Canva templates. Let's talk about templates. These are lifesavers for busy people. Think about it. Not everyone has the time or the design skills to create polished graphics, but you can. In Canva, you can make Instagram posts, business card templates, planners and journals, resume designs. For example, I created a pack of Instagram templates, 30 ready-to-use posts. All the buyer has to do is change the text and colors, and they instantly have content for a whole month. And the beauty of templates is you create them once and sell them infinitely, upload them to Etsy, Gumroad, or Standstore, and you've got a passive income machine. How amazing is that? So product 5 is swipe files and scripts. So these are ready-to-use text collections for people who struggle with writing. For example, social media captions for small businesses, or email templates for sales and follow-ups, or video script starters for YouTubers. And here's how I make them. I ask ChatGPT, write 10 Instagram captions for a fitness brand. I copy this and package them in a clean Canva PDF. Then I upload this to Etsy or Gumroad as a digital product. People love them because they save hours of brainstorming, and when you save someone's time, they're happy to pay. And how amazing is that? Those are the 5 products. Now imagine combining all 5 of these together. A few checklists there, a couple of eBooks there, some print-on-demand products templates packs, and swipe files. When you stack them, it's not unrealistic to earn around $3,000 per month. That's enough to cover bills, travel, and start building true financial freedom. So if you're ready to control your future, start this weekend. Even if you just create one simple design moving forward. Don't forget, the Printify link is in the description. Use it to start your print-on-demand journey today. And while you're here, like this video, subscribe to Ruth Finance, and turn on the notifications so you never miss new strategies to build online income. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep creating, keep believing, and keep building a life that gives you freedom.